What's up, guys? And in today's video we are going to be beating Animal Company with one item. And since this challenge is pretty hard, I've got a friend, Lucky
Hello.
Charms, or also
My name's Lucky Charms.
also known as
Leprechaun.
Leprechaun, because as you can imagine,
I'm a leprechaun.
yeah,
Can I change my color to green?
I don't know,
Like,
it's
I
fine.
can go like
It's
ski.
It's fine. Okay, so my version of beating Animal Company is basically getting like a full small bag of lava crystals, because that's like basically beating Animal Company. But yeah, so what me and Leprechaun have got is each of our items. And my item is a pickaxe, because you literally can't win this without a pickaxe. You have to mine. And Leprechaun's item
My
is
items. Flashlight.
flashlight. Yeah, also because to get to lava you kind of have to go in caves, so yeah, that's scary. So
And also, I'm 90% blind.
yeah, kind of. Okay, let's go. Get your flashlight out, because we kind of need that. Please do not touch that. Okay,
My
let's
bad.
go. Beep.
Alright, remember when my version of beating Animal Company was the J-Man Curly video? His first video on this. Like, bro,
Wait, get the flashlight. Get the flashlight. We need that.
my bad.
Yeah. Okay. I hear spider.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's probably not even the way that we're going. Okay, wait, follow me.
I wish I could kill him with the flashlight.
I know, wait, follow me. Gotta go this way.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure. Wait, we went too far.
If the haunted house lit out.
Oh, spider's the way that we have to go.
What's Gucci gang? Let's go.
What's good, Gucci gang? Wait, maybe we can get past him. Do not touch that. Do
Yeah.
not touch that. Okay, keep coming straight. Keep coming straight. And then there should be a turn. Yeah. Okay. Follow. No, this way.
Oh, it's my bad.
Sorry, I'm
Bro, you
hitting.
keep hitting me.
I know.
Yeah.
Sorry. So. Whee!
Play some outro music.
Oh, it's not that way. It must be this way. Yeah.
Making my way downtown, walking fast.
Space is fast when I'm homebound. I really hope it's this way, because. Oh, do not touch spider thing. Wait, I actually don't know which way it is. I'm pretty sure that's a dead end. I'm pretty sure it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. It's
Okay.
this way. It's this way.
Oh, God.
What's that sound, bro? Is this for real? Some cave noises down here.
Cool.
Wait, you coming? Whee!
Yeah. Into the unknown.
Okay, we gotta go this way.
Okay.
How have we not even met? Like, we met Spider once. That's it. That's kind of like crazy. Oh, there's a home.
More times than my father.
This way? Maybe? I actually don't know if it's this way. I have no idea. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure it's this way. No, it's not this
No,
way.
I almost died.
It's not this way. It's this way, I think.
Parkour!
Parkour. Yeah, it's this way. Okay, weep.
No danger, no.
Yeah,
No, thank
I ain't got no fear danger, boy.
Oh, beer. That was good.
Yeah. Weep. This is scary. What?
Did you hear that, Cole?
No, I had no idea what you just said.
Okay,
It's-
come here.
Wait, where are you? It's so dark.
Yeah. I bet if you died from one of these, it would be pretty shocking.
Get out.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, basically the hardest part of this challenge is probably going to be getting through that area. without dying from the eyeballs and having no grapple.
Cole, where are you?
I'm at the bottom.
Okay, I'll be there.
Yeah, so guys, yeah, the hardest part of this is gonna be no grappler, not dying. I see you. I think. Okay, hi. Okay, yeah, guys, the hardest part of this is definitely 100% going to be not having a grappler and the stupid eyeballs, because.
Yes, bro. But we can do anything if we set our minds to it.
Get up!
Nike Oz Logan.
I hate this sound. Okay, I actually don't. I'm pretty sure it's this corner. Bro, it's so loud.
I know.
Whee! Wait, you coming down? You coming down?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here's the final leap of faith. That's very, very scary. I'm gonna wait for Leprechaun because, yeah. Wait,
Yes,
come
it's
on.
back.
Oh, you just like glitched. Okay. Whee!
Are we supposed to jump down?
Yeah, it's kind of scary though. We're gonna send straight into lava.
Yeah? No. I have to go for dinner.
Wait, a hip thing is gonna be so helpful for this. Actually, I really need this. So, why is my volume? We are going to take Leprechaun's flashlight in memory of, but I can't take his bag because purposes. Okay, but we're gonna have to cook for Leprechaun because he had to go. Oh, I missed. Okay, this is hard to do. Okay, that doesn't take any health at all. We're good. Nope. Oh, parkour. Oh my god, I'm so good at this game. No, I'm trash. Like, actually, though. I wish I was better. Oh, I need to get that. Okay, we're gonna have to use the gorilla tag skills. Guys, I think I found the strap. What am I gonna do after this? Oh, this is gonna be hard. I didn't really think of that. Okay, now I gotta activate the gorilla monkey skills. As the Leprechaun once said, if you put your mind to something, you can. Okay, there's some of the eyeballs. I'm surprised I haven't seen the eyeballs yet. Bruh. Okay, I can do this. I'm actually really surprised. Hello, Mr. Eyeball. I would not like to see you right now. How do I avoid this guy? Get away, get away. No! I don't care. I actually cannot die. I'm in a safe zone. They can't get me. I just need to regen some health. Frick. We gotta cook, we gotta cook. I think I got to go through there. Bro, what do I do? Where's the eyeballs? Okay, okay, let me up here, let me up here. Bro, why is my boundary right there? Okay, what are we gonna do? We gotta fling myself as hard as I possibly can. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. I don't want to die. Go down, go down, go down. Nope, nope, don't see me. You can't see me. Good boy. No, you can't see me. You can't see me. I am not John Cena, but I don't know. You can't see me. Oh, no. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to regen for a little bit. There's little bombs. Oh no, you don't see me. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Okay. Oh, freak. Oh, we can't touch. Okay, we're low-key cooking. We're low-key cooking. Oh, freak. Get me in! Get me in! Get me in! Let's go! We're safe! Ah, that was so scary. In memory of Leprechaun, we will take out his flashlight. So we got 5 of these, which is a full bag because I have the extra pocket thing for the flashlight. So, see how much we made from only using a pickaxe, 1 item, and also add-ons. Flashlight. So let's see. We made 3K. That's literally insane. From all using only a pickaxe, and you guys could definitely use a stick, and that would be way easier because it's free. Wouldn't be easier, but it would be much like cheaper. It would make you more money, but like sticks are kind of bad because they can break. But yeah, that's the vid. See ya.